Hi everyone, yeah, just a quick update on my BNB analysis because I think I was a little bit exuberant the other day when I thought it'd dip all the way back down to here. It didn't quite get that far, but what I failed to do in the technical analysis was look at the 10 EMA on the 4 hourly, because that's usually where it does tend to dip back to in any uptrend. As you can see there, dip back down, and here dip back down. So the 10 EMA is a really good guide, guys, and all it simply is you bring up the trading view chart and you put the EMA in, you search for the indicator EMA and you set it to 10, the length to 10, whatever style you want to put in, but the length is 10 on the 4 hourly. So it gives a really good indication of where the price will usually pull back to for any continuation pattern in an uptrend. So I was a little bit exuberant. I mean, if we do drop in the other EAs, you can see where they are. They're really far down. So I was using the wrong EMA, I do admit that. So basically 4 hourly time frame, drop in the 10 exponential moving average, and you can get a good gist of where the bottoms are in any uptrend. So here you can see that it trended up, hit that bottom, it went under the EMA slightly, it was supporting it, and then it's come up again. The volume on BNB is superb. There's some really good volume coming in here, guys, and this move here is starting to pick up. You can see this is what we want, nice volume. You don't want to be seeing something like that with something like this very, very small volume, because it's just a bit of manipulation and probably wash trading and all that. The more volume that comes into it, the better, because it means there's a substantial move behind each run. So BNB, guys, is looking really, really good. This whole move is looking really, really good, and it looks set to continue, to be honest with you. We've got some level of resistance coming up on us right here. You can see this area here. This is of key interest, this bit of resistance here. We've broke through this previous resistance here, so this is not a problem. We should effectively move up from this point. I would be looking, even if you went in here to test this resistance, it's still a 5% trade. So I think that when it gets up here at the previous high, which I'll mark now, that's the previous all-time high on Binance Coin, you can see that 143 is right there. Well, it's just a little bit up a bit, but roughly up in this area here, 143.60. This is a really, really tough target. So you might see something like this as we get up there, a slight rejection and then a retest and then breakthrough. Providing we get some good volume there to drive the price up, you'll see a good nice chunky bit of volume come in, and that's a positive sign. So where is the next target after the breakout? So effectively what you could say that from this initial breakout here, this could have been just a bull flag. So if we switch, zoom out a bit, see that the price was coming down in this channel like that. As it comes down, it decides to break out, and when it breaks out, it goes up to the same length of the flagpole. So you can see that this measurement there, if we go from there down to this initial breakout, you could say that from this position here, it gives us a target up here. Drop price target in for you there. So that will give us a price target of 160 on this breakout, providing that we can get through this key resistance that we're going to come up against in the next few hours or so, hopefully in the next few hours, if not over the weekend. This level here, which is $143.60. So if we can get through this here with volume, then we're off to the races with Binance Coin. So it's looking really good, guys. Binance Coin. Again, I was a little bit exuberant, I must admit, on the dip. It didn't quite get there, but it did dip. I think I made my video around about this point saying that it looked to be oversold. It was a bit oversold, it was a bit too parabolic, and it would roll over. I was correct with that analysis, but obviously it didn't quite get there. It did actually dip. If we take it from there all the way to the bottom of that candle, it did actually dip 30%, which is common. It's very usual in an uptrend and a bull cycle especially to dip that far. If you go back through the history, you see that it does dip, 40-50% sometimes, and then it carries on with a trend. So really positive for Binance Coin, guys. So yeah, if we switch to a smaller time frame on Binance Coin, see right now that actually looks like a perfect cup and handle that's forming. So if we was to take this, So you can see if you was to be trading the 15-minute time frame, guys, you can see something forming called a cup and handle. So we say that that's the neckline. So we'll mark that, make that a little bit thicker, really thick, like that. And then we drop the cup in, so the cup looks something like that. See that? And then this is the handle. You see the handle, it broke down. And then now we're breaking out of the handle. So providing we can actually come through this level of resistance here, you might find a bit of a tension here, a bit of resistance here at 141, right? Providing we can get through that, then we have an enormous potential upside. And the way we measure that is we go from the center of the cup, something like that, and then from the breakout, look, and that lines up perfectly with our bull flag, with the flagpole. So it's all lining up. So we've basically got the flagpole in the bull flag that's formed, and then the pole with the breakout, and the cup and handle pattern, and it's breaking out. So again, if we break out, we're gonna see a move from this exact point. We open the trade now. You're looking at a 16% trade to the upside for BNB coin. Okay, but again, a key area of resistance is this area here. So if we can get through this area with substance, the volume needs to pick up. We've got a nice volume down there. You've seen the sell-off, a lot of volume. So now the volume's starting to pick up a little bit, but if we can break this level of resistance here, then we'll just shoot right up to 160. So that's some TA on BNB, guys. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share. Thanks a lot. Back again with another video.